What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see in the title, this is a unboxing. We have the month of March 6 cents subscription set. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I figured it was time to do one. I just received mine. I usually get mine right around this time of the month, mid to the end of the month. Hopefully, can work something out and hopefully get them sooner so I can show you guys earlier in the month. But if you've already seen what's in this month, hey, please stick around. Please leave a like, leave a comment which bakes that you like. This would be the first time we're opening it. Obviously you can see it's still sealed, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get into this sack. Open this bad boy up right here. Pretty cool. I don't have a gray sack. Usually they've been in black, red, and like a teal or blue. So this is pretty cool. Get this gray one, and let's see what's inside. There we go. So I'm just gonna randomly pull some out. Let's see what we got here. First one out of the sack. Here we go. What is this? A Speed Glide. So we have a 6 cent Speed Glide, 7/8 ounce in the thread fin splash color. So I'll pull this out for you guys so you can see it. I only have one of these Speed Glides one time, and I accidentally bought it in the saltwater version, and I haven't used it. So check that out, guys. Just some really great colors here. Love this feather tail right there. I think this is gonna be really cool. So the Speed Glide, so it looks like you can just burn this through the grass or through the water, maybe above grass, or let's see here. It says was designed as an all-purpose bait imitation engineered with heavy weight. Yeah, so you just kind of burn this and maybe give it a stop. Doesn't say that if it suspends or not, but nonetheless, we will find out. So there it is, the Speed Glide in the thread fin flash color. So we're just going to move on to the next one. And get this in it. There we go. All right, so that was number one. And let's get to the next one. So let's see, here's another one. So an Axis 2.0, and this one's the chartreuse black color. So I actually just had gotten another one. Will with Fishing Adventures Outdoors had traded me like 5 of these Axis because he, didn't want them, had too many. But I have an extra one here, so this is cool in case you lose one. I love these Axis. Got the rotating bill or moving bill. It does some clicking in there underwater, but look at that, chartreuse black back. Yep. So just a good looking bait. I love the details that 6 cents puts into their lures. They just put a lot of attention to detail, and the colors are just amazing. I just truly like using their stuff. And the fact that they're a local company to Texas makes it even better. All right, here we go. Let's pull another one out here. Ooh, nice. So we have a Crush Mini MD. I love these little crushes. This one's in the boiled crawfish. So you've seen my recent videos. I've been taking out chatterbait that's been in that fire crawl or any type of red crawfish color, and absolutely just crushing them. So here's one right here in the boiled crawfish color. It's a little deep dive crank. This one goes about 4 to 7 feet. So 4 to 7 feet on this crank here. Just look at these. Like I said, the details in here are just amazing. And I absolutely love these. I have one that I was crushing it a while back on the Black Magic, I believe it was. And fish love these. Perfect size, and you just get hammered on them. They just completely swallow the whole thing, and so good bait. Crush MD, or Crush Mini 25 MD. All right, got a couple more in here. We got a Quake, there we go, in the Shad Burst color, Quake 80 suspending. Actually, I was just out with Will yesterday, and keep an eye out for that video because we absolutely crushed it. We're over 30 plus fish, maybe almost 50 fish. And Will actually had this exact bait yesterday, and he was crushing them on it, just slow rolling it, pausing every once in a while. So check that out. Just absolutely cool. Look at that reflection. That sun hits it, it's gonna look really good. So there it is, the Quake 80 suspending in the Shad Burst color. Like I said, look at that. Just reflects all that light. No wonder they were crushing it. So, like I said, keep an eye out for that video. It should be coming out here in the next week or so. And there's just so much editing, there's so much fish catching, and it was just a lot of fun. So, all right, we got a couple more in here. So, all right, we have some stroker crawls right here in Watermelon Candy. So let me pull one of these out real quick so you guys can see. There we go. Look at that. It's a good looking color right there. Watermelon Candy in the stroker crawl. So I'm sure there's probably something to pair that with. So we got a couple other things in here. Oh, here's some Divine Worm Weights. I'm not gonna pull these out. These are in, what size are these? A 1/4 ounce. 1/4 ounce lead worm weights. So there you go. And the last thing in here is the Stout Wide Gap hooks in 4 ounce. So pair these two together with those lead weights, flip them around some docks, cover, whatever. It's gonna work out great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, go back and check out some of the other videos I posted. Keep an eye out for this upcoming video with me and Will of Fishing Adventures TV on Lake Travis. We just absolutely crushed fish on some 6 cent baits on the Whale, the Quake 80 suspending. There was a Crush crankbait in there, and the Whale and these grubs that we had were just absolutely crazy. They were crushing the fish. The fish were completely swallowing every single bite. It was absolutely crazy. Will literally caught 20 fish on one grub before he actually had to switch it out. He actually didn't have to switch it out. He retired the bait and moved on to something else. But keep an eye out for that one. Again, it's coming out within the next week. There's a lot of editing we got to do, a lot of video sharing back and forth because there's so much footage we have to go through. So thank you again. Leave a comment for which one of those baits is your favorite and which one you would rather throw this time of year going into spring. And check out some of the other videos. Leave a comment, leave a like. If you're not already, please hit that subscribe button down there and the notifications for upcoming videos. So without further ado, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for supporting the channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Keep it tight, lines. All right.